This kind of white background styling for sweaters. How to make the collar telescopic rod. A retractable and hidden hollow collar. Underarm support rods. To flatten the sleeves, push the clothes under the armpit backward. Hidden. The inside of the sleeves and armpits are instantly flat. The arm has a fix the cuffs with the needle and thread. Can make the sleeves straight and bulging. It has a three-dimensional effect. The side edges of the clothes. Adjust to vertical. The telescopic rod can be adjusted in length. Put a foam tube on the side rod. Can enhance the light and shadow on the side of the clothes. And a clip on the back to keep the pattern vertical. To keep the pattern texture on the side. Keep vertical. Install a telescopic rod on the universal expansion slot, the zipper of the clothes, and fix it on the silicone head. Pull the front of the clothes and smooth it out, and the clothes can be taken out.